This was my first Malayalam film in a theatre, and very interestingly, my first Malayalam movie was Dalkar Salman Solo. It all came full circle. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and I just came back watching the Malayalam film Kurup in theatres. With 50% occupancy, the theatre was full. Directed by Srinath Rajendran, story by Jitin Jose, screenplay by K.S. Arvind and Daniel Sayoj Nair. Starring Dalkar Salman in the lead role with Indrajit Sukumaran, Sobita Dhulipala, Shine Tom Chako, Sunny Wayne and many more. The film is based on the fugitive Sukumaran Kurup. Now I would say the whole film was a mixed bag for me. First, let's talk about the controversy behind the movie because a lot of people say it's gonna glorify a criminal and a murderer, but from watching the film I can say it doesn't do that and it actually handles it very sensitively. Also, I think the son of the person who was murdered by Kurup issued a statement about it too. Technically the film is very well done, being a period drama. Now I did comment that the production design was not looking good in the trailer, and after watching the movie I can say there were some places where the VFX was a little off. It was very visible and obvious, and at some places, at least to my eyes, it was very obvious that it's a set. Maybe I just visited Ramoji City, that's why. But also in some of the sequences where there's a lot of crowd, I could see the same people, coming back and forth behind the actors. Not everyone will note these things. It just happened to be that I noticed it and I couldn't unsee it, and it was kind of distracting to me also. But overall, it was a good effort. Really liked the BGM. It was building up the suspense. The music was interesting also. I like some of the beats used in some of the songs. But coming to my biggest issue is the screenplay structure of this film. It doesn't work for me and I have a lot of issues with it. I think this film gave a new definition to style over substance. I think they had a really good story with them. It was really interesting, but the way they decided to tell it and the way they structured the screenplay around it, it just doesn't work for me. I think the whole film is a Dalkar Salman show. He was wonderful in it. He carried the film and he was supposed to, he was leading. He has this certain charm to it which he brought to this character with some wickedness which really works for the character. This is definitely a standout performance for Dalkar Salman. Indrajit Sukumaran was just okay, nothing special. Shine Tom Chako definitely shines in this one. Sobita Dhulipala had some interesting moments in the film, and Sunny Wayne, I had no idea why he was in the film. To me, it didn't make any sense. See, definitely it's not a bad film. It's a very well made commercial film and I think the audiences will like it. But for me, it was just very average. I expected more. Now let's get into the spoilers. So if you haven't seen the movie, you can stop, go watch it and then come back. Again, spoiler alert. Also, if you're finding value, do the like button so the video is just to more people. Consider subscribing and the bell icon to get notifications. Coming to the screenplay, I didn't like the forced non-linearity. The whole first half, we barely see Kurup. It's all about the secondary characters and their interactions with him, that's it. We don't even get to know his motivations, why he's like that, what he's doing. Nothing. Everything is shown in the second half. So in the first half, I'm confused. I don't know what's happening. It's not mystery. It's confusion. And honestly, I got bored. And the film spent so much time on Sunny Wayne's character, which is so inconsequential because it never comes back later in the film. It's just there. That's it. Maybe just to show the early days of Kurup, but you could have done that in 5 minutes. There was no need of this 45-minute long arc. And they've kind of broken down the story into chapters that a police inspector is going through the case. It's like, we are going through his life bit by bit. That's what we are getting. And in the second half, we get the remaining story from each bit. And for me, it just doesn't work. It's very unengaging. Definitely second half is much better. But even in second half, it's just DQ giving voiceover and we are just watching the montages of what he was doing. That's it. The whole part where they have to find a body, that is stretched so much. Maybe that was a big part of this story because most people are familiar with that aspect of it. Maybe that's why they give so much screen time to it, and they even casted Tovino for that character. And I totally respect the real incident, but in terms of the movie, when you're making a film, all that was just too long. It just dragged. This way of storytelling with the narration and just showing images one after the other what was happening feels so redundant. It's so boring. And by the end, I felt like the makers were trying to be too smart. They wanted to deceive the audience with the twist and all, but it just doesn't work. And even the ending, like what happened? It felt like we'll see a sequel now. I can come up with things like Kurup, was like this, and whenever he's like this, he's thinking, and then he smiles, maybe he got a new idea, and now he's Alexander. It, kind of that Lucifer twist at the end. Oh, he's part of Illuminati. He created it. There's more to him. We'll explore it in a sequel. That's what I felt. And this is a bummer, because there was a really good story. It would have been told very well. It could have been much engaging and interesting. But the way they chose to tell the story, it just didn't land for me. Maybe it worked for you, but not for me. I felt there were a lot of loopholes also in the story, but that we can talk about in a live session. But for this review, that's what I had to say. It was kind of underwhelming that my first Malayalam film in theaters was not the best Malayalam film because the ratio is always like that. There are more great Malayalam films than average. But even my first Malayalam film Solo was not that great. It was okay. Through channel membership, you can support this channel and help me continue this journey ahead. And in turn, you get various perks. To know more, click on the join button. For more information, check out the community page. So guys, that is the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this, the thumbs up button, share this video, let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out the videos. If you like them too, do subscribing, and I'll see you next time.